I'll guide you through how to create Google Drive for Business without losing control of your files or getting lost in confusing permissions. If you're looking to upgrade from a personal account to get more storage and advanced security, or you want to give your business team a single place to collaborate in real time, and so you need to create a Google Drive for your business, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Before we dive in, it's important to understand a key difference between a personal and a business account. A personal drive is tied to an individual, but for a business, you'll want to use Google Workspace's shared drives, which ensure your data belongs to the company, not a single employee who may leave at any time. Here's how to do the complete process step by step. First, choose a Google Workspace plan. Google Drive for Business is part of the Google Workspace suite. From their page at workspace.google.com/pricing, you'll need to select a plan that fits your needs, such as Business Starter, Standard, or Plus, which offer different amounts of pooled storage and features. Next is to create a shared drive. This is the most crucial step for a business. This is the central hub for all team files, ensuring that even if an employee leaves, their files remain with the company. Go to the Shared Drive section and click Plus New Shared Drive. A pop-up will appear where you can give the drive a name. After the shared Google Drive is ready, the next step is to set up your folder structure. A good folder structure is key to organization. Inside your new shared drive, create top-level folders that are logical for your business, such as finance, projects, or clients. You can then assign the leader of each department as a manager of their respective folder. Leaders of each department can then create subfolders for sub-departments if necessary. Now that the Google Drive for Business is ready to roll, the final step is to add users. Click this card or the link in the description to learn, step by step, how to add users to Google Drive for Business. Now that you've learned how to create Google Drive for Business, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more Google Workspace video tutorials. Thanks for watching.